Just like before, when solving equations, we want to get our variable by itself. With these ones, we're going to have to do a couple more steps to do so. So in this case, we've got 2 times the quantity x plus 3 equals a negative 4. Well, first off, I'm going to distribute my 2 inside of my parentheses. So I've got 2 times x gives me 2x, 2 times 3 gives me 6, and I've still got equals negative 4. All right, I still want to get everything away from this x, so I'm going to subtract my 6 from both sides. So then I'm left with 2x, 6 minus 6 just gives me 0, and then a negative 4 minus 6 gives me a negative 10. So remember that whenever you have a number next to a variable, it means multiply. So to get rid of that 2, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So I end up getting x equals negative 5. Our second example, we've got 1/3 x plus 7 equals 2. Well, I want to get everything away from that x again, so I'm going to subtract 7. I feel like that'll probably be the easiest step to start out with. So I've got 1/3 x equals 2 minus 7 gives me a negative 5. All right, this 1/3 x, I'm actually going to multiply by the reciprocal to get rid of this fraction. So if I multiply by the reciprocal, I've got 3 times 1, which is 3 on the top, and then 1 times 3, which is 3. 3 divided by 3 just gives me 1, so I'm left with x. And I'm going to multiply by 3 over 1 on the other side. So I've got negative 5 times 3 over 1, which gives me a negative 15. All right, if y'all have any questions on these or any others, please let me know.